What up, this your boy ZK Zimbabwe Kid, and this is Wednesday Shoutouts with Zimbabwe Kid. As usual, I'm going to shout out to my friends on YouTube. Hopefully you guys check out their channels. The first one is Ruben, and Ruben's channel is youtube.com/ABCNino, ABCNINO. And basically he's got a lot of videos on there like wildlife, like birds and things of that nature. And he's also got some family videos out there, man. Pretty cool stuff. And just check out the channel, youtube.com/ABCNino, NINO, if you like the channel. Subscribe to the channel, add him as a friend. And the second one I'd like to give a shout out to is Candace. And Candace's channel is youtube.com/CandyKix1, CANDYKIX1. And basically Candace, she likes to write, she likes to sing, she likes to do poetry, and she's got a pretty cool poetry piece on there on the channel. So check out her YouTube channel, add her as a friend, comment on the videos, and subscribe to her as well. And those are the two that I'd like to shout out today. And that's it for the Wednesday shoutouts with Zimbabwe Kid. I am Zimbabwe Kid, ZIMBONEXUS. Peace.